In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best carry-on luggage in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. For a bag that costs much less than our top picks, I was thoroughly impressed by the quality and look of this carry-on. It was sturdier than I was expecting, and the material only had a little bit of give when I pressed on the top and sides. Though it is expandable up to 15% for additional packing room, I found that it held less overall than the similar Samsonite suitcase we recommend in this guide, making it a good option for shorter or weekend trips. The interior has one mesh zip side and one side with a buckle. The buckle isn't too sturdy, but it will do the trick of keeping clothes in place. The adjustable handle is comfortable and didn't wobble very much. The wheels also glided smoothly on nearly every surface. Thick carpet gave it a bit of trouble, though they were just a little bit louder than others I tested. The zippers ran smoothly and for the most part, the bag held up throughout my tests, though it did get marks relatively after just one use. That said, some reviewers have complained that after about 5 or 6 trips the bag starts to break down, with complaints of broken handles, wheels, and zippers. But for the casual traveler who only takes a couple of trips a year, this is an extremely affordable option that still gets the job done. Number 4. I've used this bag consistently for 3 years, and while it has a couple of very small marks upon close inspection, it has remained in remarkably good shape, especially compared to other hard-side cases I've tried. It's easy to lift into overhead bins, and a rubberized grip under the top and side handles add extra comfort for handling. The zippers run smoothly, and the expansion zipper even has a finger hole for extra ease and agility. There is also its SAW-approved lock on the right side. The 4 multi-directional wheels are quiet and make rolling the bag in front of you, beside you, or behind you on almost any surface a breeze, though it was harder to pull on thick carpet. Despite its small size, I can fit a week's worth of clothes inside, and the 1.5-inch expansion capability comes in especially handy if you often return from a trip with more than you originally packed. While there aren't any fancy extras when it comes to interior storage, it's more than sufficient with a mesh zip close on one side and a strong buckle to keep clothes packed in tight on the other. The bag's one downside is that the handle is a little bit wobbly when fully extended. As is the case with most suitcases, the handle poles do also take up some space in the interior compartment, making it harder to lay items completely flat on that side. Number 3. Big on practicality and low on cost, the Tavel Pro Maxolite 5 offers the best value of any soft side bag out there. It's the brand's lightest 4-wheel spinner suitcase at 5 pounds, maximizing on maneuverability for when you're sprinting to catch your flight. The cavernous, expandable interior includes tons of weird little zippered sections and mesh pockets for you to cordon off your toiletries, small items, dirty clothes, and shoes from your clothes without busting out the packing cubes. And after you've racked up plenty of miles on those wheels, the Platinum Elite comes with a limited lifetime warranty for repairs and replacements. The only ding against the Tavel Pro is its humdrum looks, which evoke the dated carpeting of one of the airports it'll be dragged through. But that hasn't kept it from becoming a favorite of frequent flyers. If the Tavel Pro logo looks familiar, it's probably because you've spotted it on the luggage of the flight attendants and pilots that spend most of their lives in the sky. Number 2. Your essentials for an overnight trip or a weekend getaway inside this durable hardside 4-wheel spinner carry-on suitcase from Kenneth Cole Reactions Out of Bounds Luggage Collection. Loaded with amazing features including a spacious fully lined interior, molded corner guard reinforcements for maximum impact resistance, and a large U-shaped zipper pocket that allows for double-sided packing. Also features multi-directional 4-wheel spinner wheels that allow for smooth 360-degree rotation over any rough surface. This carry-on meets almost all US-based airline carry-on size requirements and fits into most airline overhead bin compartments. Designed to be considered a true carry-on. The perfect lightweight and dependable hardside carry-on suitcase for travelers and professionals whom value both style and function. Number 1. Ideal for frequent flyers who are rough on their bags. Travel Pro's Looks model is made using strong nylon fabric that comes in 7 shades with leather accents and sturdy chrome zippers. This soft-side suitcase stood out in our evaluations for its impressive durability and convenient packing features. For starters, its nylon exterior aced both our abrasion and drop tests with no signs of wear. Plus, the zippers kept contents dry in our water resistance test. Not only that, it fit every item in our packing test with room to spare, and the organizational compartments made loading it a breeze. It comes with a garment bag for suits or dresses, its approved case for liquids, and an outer pocket with a USB port. Plus its handle adjusts to 4 different heights. Some testers thought it looked old-fashioned and said they had less control when it was on 4 wheels, but liked it glided well tilted back on 2 wheels. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.